Ho Justa here, and I have a story about finding your spirit animal. Once upon a time, a young boy, a young girl, another young girl, and another young boy walked into the woods, and they saw a bird into the highest tree. And when they went into the highest tree, they climbed it to find that bird. And the bird was flying high in the sky. And when that bird flew so high, they saw that bird wide and smile. And when that bird smiled,
they got very scared because they'd never seen a bird smile before. It was actually kind of frightening. It had very large teeth, though. It looked like it had gotten a lot of dental work done. Very, very nice dental work. Because its big smile just blew up and it filled their whole vision, really. They just saw this row of bird teeth. And then the bird yelled, "Cheese! Cheese! Cheese!" And everyone started to take its picture. And the bird became startled. Ooh! When suddenly
the giraffe came and stuck its neck out for the bird and said, "Everybody stop this! This is wrong. Taking the picture of the bird. Why? Why?
Why?
Why?